Before installing your new Trevi Bidet, there are some steps to finish. 1. Turn off your water supply valve. Turn off the water valve beside the toilet by turning it clockwise. 2. Empty the toilet tank. Flush your toilet to drain the tank. Hold down that flusher until the tank empties completely. 3. Remove the toilet seat. For most toilet seats, flip up the screw caps behind the seat with a flathead screwdriver to access the screws. Turn counterclockwise to loosen the screws. Remove the seat. 4. Connect to the water line. Disconnect the existing flexible hose from your toilet tank by turning it counterclockwise. Prepare T-valve, tank adapter, and insert a black washer inside. After connecting the hose to the underside of the T-valve, link the top side of the T-valve to the tank of your toilet tightly. Connect the Trevi hose to the side hole of the T-valve. 5. Attach the Trevi base plate to the bowl. Please make sure the side of the base plate with rubber non-slip pads is facing down, not up. Align the back of the base plate with the tank, leaving a gap of at least 3/4 inches. Line up the mounting brackets on the base plate over the toilet bolt holes. The mounting bracket should click into the grooves in the base plate. Insert the mounting bolts into the bolt holes and tighten the packing, washer, and nuts from the bottom of the toilet bowl. Please tighten up in order of this: packing, washer, and nuts. 6. Attach your Trevi Bidet to the toilet. Place your Trevi Bidet on your toilet bowl. Connect the slots of the main body with the base plate. When the Trevi Bidet is properly attached to the toilet, you will hear a click. 7. Connect Trevi Bidet to the Trevi hose. Screw the Trevi hose onto the inlet port of the Trevi Bidet in a clockwise direction. Check all connection points to make sure there are no visible leaks. 8. Plug in your Trevi Bidet. Plug your new friend Trevi Bidet into a grounded 3-prong 120-volt outlet. 9. Open the valve to fill the tank with water. It will take about 1 minute to complete. When filling up the tank completely, you can hear a beep sound. 10. Just enjoy your me time with your new friend Trevi Bidet. When you experience Trevi Bidet once, the feeling will be the same as seeing green shoots of the spring season. It will be a cooler and fresher moment, I promise.